Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to connect Toshiba VIDAA TV to Wi-Fi. Press the home button. Scroll to settings. Scroll to network and press OK. Scroll to network type. Once highlighted, scroll to wireless device. Scroll to scan wireless networks and press OK. Scroll to the required Wi-Fi network and press OK. Enter the required network password and scroll to OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.